What going now? What going now? Yeah man, why pray? You know I G there though. 45 are going crazy. All boat in the yard, him run up and down and I make be a nice like him a pee. Yesterday I sat the same know. I'm gonna eat some good food, is it? But what going on now, I'm telling you what going on now. Cause I know I wonder what going on now. And naseberry are going on now, is it? All of them are naseberry, is it? You know naseberry? Look on it good. Naseberry. Yeah man. See man? So I pick me there, I pick some naseberry to put up for ripe. See them man, everywhere you look man, naseberry you sit down. Yeah man. Naseberry tree are ripe and I drop naseberry. Crazy. What me say? It a ripe and I drop naseberry. Crazy. Right now, me under a tree and a lot of bees, my friend. Bees is all about on the floor. Yeah man, all about on the floor, bees is. You see them there? Whole heap of naseberry drop off. But here what go on. Bad man have to go switch camera. Make you see what go on. You see it? Yeah man. When you say you want to see what go on, you really want to see what go on. Alright, see what go on yeah. Alright, see what go on there. And that happen when the naseberry then drop. Yeah, when the naseberry then drop, the bees then come and then take out all of the sweetness out there and go deal with them honey. That's why honey is a good thing. You see it? Cause you know so the bees they make the honey and you know so just fruits them deal with and flowers blooming and all those things. But that's what happen when the naseberry them drop off of the tree. Yeah man, see them all about on the floor. You see it? See them again, the bees them there again. Yeah, you hear them a sing. See the whole ton of bees. I'm there with them too. You see it? See them there? Yeah man, they no business with me, I'm no business with them. Because right now they know say I'm here to feed them. So them for business with me, they can't trouble me. I'm here to feed them, you know. Yes man, see them there all about them there. Whole heap of bees man, all about them. Yeah man. So actually, see the naseberry tree there. I picked some from yesterday. Actually, I didn't get to clean them off so. In the morning you know, at that I pray. Yeah, in the morning at that I pray so. So them look at them are the one them we clean off. Yeah. Them are the one we not clean it. So you see the different one them we clean off look pretty and nice and ready for put in the ripen box. And for ripen the naseberry, the only thing you want you know, just get some pimento leaf or some banana trash and just put them in a box with the naseberry and just cover it up. You see it? Put some pimento leaf at the bottom of the box, put in some naseberry, pack some more leaf, put in some more naseberry and put some more leaf on the top and you know say I eat that. Yeah man, and this you know I washing water with them in see them? Yeah. So I use piece of sponge because you have to use something soft when I wash them off. Why? Because you will craw them up. And you don't want to give nobody nothing craw up, okay? So you use piece of sponge and you just spend the time and you put them in the water and you just wash them off. Yeah man. True me have to hold the camera now, but for instance, this field turn. Put that there so. For instance, I just saw me deal with them. You see it? Alright. See now? I just rub a sponge on him. And you know say this when him ripe here now, all the skin you can eat. time I put up naturally for ripe and then wash off before. See there? Yeah man. And wash off before him put for ripe, so you know say when him ripe, him clean to eat and see tree yeah, him just pick off of the tree. You see it? Naturally, just pick from off of the naseberry tree. Yeah, I'm the under the naseberry tree. I clean the naseberry them. Yeah man. So actually them I take like 3 days to ripe, 2 days. Yeah, like for instance, if you put them up Monday morning, by Wednesday evening you can pull the box. You see it? Thursday morning you have a lot of ripe naseberry. Yeah man. Bees and all both man. Enjoy themselves. I say things said. I just a blessing. Sunrise blessing. Longside Father God blessing. Yeah man, big up all of my fans them. You see it? For real. Yeah man. Canadian, big up yourself. Germany, England, France, Ruro. Yo, a whole heap of place. I want me to call it. Me even say America yet. January star. Me even say Norway yet. Yo, I want a place where me have to say for big up. So this a street me just say, yo, all of my fans them and friends them and family them. Big up on no damn self. You know, you me say big up on no self. Yeah man. Sunrise boss I talk to you. Yeah man. The one and only Sunrise boss that Jamaica, you see it. Any Sunrise boss come after a photocopy. You hear that? Any Sunrise come after a photocopy. You don't know. Sunrise boss, the general. Yeah man, real no real. You know so real people will link up with though. Awo. Mommy big up your damn self. Daddy you large though. Yeah man, I say things said. So until them time there, a peace and love. Now go back to my naseberry cleaning. Yellow till the morning. Yellow did all our meds. Yellow the on the right. And check it out. 45 on the left. 45. What go on? My boss a yarn for camera. That's nice. That a go on. Yeah man, so peace and love to them time there. We shall meet again. I'm out.